In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods Pro 2nd generation to any Android device. Could be a smartphone like this one, but also a tablet. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to open the lid, and then on the back of this case, you're gonna see there's a small circle here. This is a button. You'll need to keep it pressed until you see a white LED flashing on the front. Here we go. Now I can release the button on the back. Set this aside with the lid open, don't close it. Then you'll need to go into the settings of your Android phone. Once you open the settings of your Android phone, you need to go into Bluetooth. Mine is under connections here. Then under Bluetooth here, I'll click once. I will turn Bluetooth on. Here I have all the devices that are connected to my Android device. And under here, at the end of the list, I should see available devices with the AirPods Pro ready to get connected. I'll press once, and the pairing process will begin. If, for example, it doesn't work, okay, right now couldn't pair, that's not a problem. It's probably just because the pairing mode of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation has stopped. You just need to repress the back button here until you see the flashing white light. Okay. This will restart the pairing process, and you should see them again here. You're going to click again. It will ask if you want to pair. You're going to press OK, and a green light will signify that they're actually connected, and they will be on this top list over here. Here we go. So this is it. This is how simple it is to connect them to any Android or tablet or smartphone. Now you can close the case, you can use them, you can do whatever you want to do. You won't need to do this same process every time. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like and also comment, and I'll see you in the next one.